Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Guys, are you interested in earning free cryptocurrency in 2024? Look no further. In this video, we reveal the best survey sites that allow you to earn crypto rewards simply by sharing your opinions. From user-friendly interfaces to high reward rates, we cover everything you need to know to get started on your crypto earning journey. And these are the major sites that I earn free cryptocurrency, among others. I'm not going to show you all the others. I've shown you the most frequently used sites by myself. So the first site, of course, is called Free Crypto Rewards, whereby you earn your points or your rewards used by watching ads, by completing surveys, completing offers, and downloading apps and completing tasks in those particular apps. So the site is called Free Crypto Rewards, and they offer instant payments, and you can be able to convert your rewards into various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Coin, all these cryptocurrencies listed here. Consider checking them out and trying them out. Have you been looking for a good anti-theft browser? Consider adding Octo browser among your best anti-theft browser in the market, and a very innovative anti-theft browser. And currently they have added a very cool feature whereby they have inbuilt Proxy shop, whereby inside their software you can be able to access their Proxy shop and buy a proxy. Now this is how you buy proxies from Octo browser Proxy shop. At the top right corner here, click buy proxies. It will bring you to this page. So one thing before you even proceed, they have collaborated with two proxy provider, Hive Proxy and AW Proxy, and they sell proxies in terms of traffic. And for you to use these two services, you have to top up your balance in form of tokens. So the traffic which are sold in form of gigabytes are sold in tokens. So if you don't have a balance, your balance here will be appearing 0. So you just click top up tokens and you'll be prompted to top up your amount. Once you have the tokens available, click buy tokens again, and here instead of top up it will be telling you to buy proxies, and you can be able to select either of them, Hive Proxy or AW Proxy, and it will help you to select the country you need, the state and the city of that particular country. So once you buy a proxy, they are going to appear here under proxies. So you can even be able to check the status of the proxy by clicking here, and also you can be able to change the proxy, the IP you need. The IP are static IPs, static residential IPs, and you can be able to change them here. You can be able to change them to random locations like that. And remember, when you click change, it will change on the same city and state, yeah, and whichever country you have selected on. So that's how you buy proxies from Octo browser Proxy shop. Now, how do you connect these proxies to your profile? So go to profile, under profile here, edit on your profile. And the most interesting part is that if you buy a proxy either from Hive Proxy or AW Proxy, all the proxies are going to appear here. So the one I created from Hive Proxy was from US Arizona. It enabled me to select the country and state and city. So just click on it like that, click save changes, and you're good to go. That's how you use Octo browser Proxy shop to buy a proxy and to set those particular proxies on your browser profile. Then once you're done, click start up the profile and you're good to go. So guys, consider checking out Octo browser and using their Proxy shop. So my next site is called Auto Faucet. Also, you can earn money or rewards using through their offer walls, through their surveys, through short rings, through mining, all this earning. You see under this earning button here, just go through these options and you find various ways which you can be able to earn money through them and be able to redeem through cryptocurrency. And the payment is instant, Auto Faucet. So the next site we are going to talk about is called rootup.me. You can be able to earn rewards through completing their high-paying surveys, by completing offers. You can play games, you can shop online and get rewarded by uploading your receipts. They have weekly and monthly contests, they have free giveaways, you can even watch videos and get paid. They also offer cashbacks whereby you have to upload receipts, and so much forth. They are always provide instructions on how to earn. So the popular redemption options are Visa, Google Play, Amazon, Walmart, PayPal, and Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin. We are talking about cryptocurrency. So we cannot talk about earning free cryptocurrency online without talking about free cash. Free cash is my all-time best site to earn free cryptocurrency, and you can be able to earn through games. If you're a good gamer, depending on your country, you can register, do game tasks, reach various levels and get paid. You can also do surveys and get paid. You can also download various apps with the various tasks associated with each app, and if you complete those tasks as indicated, you get rewarded. They also offer casino games or casino offers, sign up offers, and also free trial offers, and all these are paid, and you can be able to redeem your reward in cryptocurrency. They support so many forms of cryptocurrencies. Yeah, you can be able to withdraw through PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. You can even do bank transfer. They also support Airtime, and their payment is instant. So of all the sites which I work on, Freecash is my best site because they're high paying and they provide instant payments. Also, we have another site here called GainPay. GainPay is an interesting site also. Has the same interface as Freecash. You can be able to earn through completing surveys, you see, through playing games, through offers, and so many other tasks. You can see all the listed offers here. You just go through them. You see, there are so many. You can even watch videos and get paid. Just go through the earn section. Check what you can do, either doing surveys, watching videos, or anything depending on your country, and you'll be able to get paid in cryptocurrency. You just go to cash out and they pay in PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and also can withdraw using Visa and also Netflix cards. But mostly I like withdrawing using either Litecoin or Bitcoin, and the payment is instant. They provide instant payment, and they require a static IP. Avoid changing your IPs several times when working on GainPay. And if you provide if your IP is best, depending on your country, they won't even ask you to upload your selfie to prove that you're a human. So the next site is called GC Root. This is a very old site, but it pays. Let it load. My internet is low. Yeah, this is another site called GC Root, whereby you can be able to earn your rewards by completing surveys. You see, they have very high paying surveys. For example, 1,000 is around $1. Yeah, so you can see they have $2, $2, $2. So depending on your country, you can be able to register on them. You complete offers, you complete surveys, and you'll be able to redeem your rewards into cryptocurrency. They support cryptocurrency withdrawal for UK and the USA accounts. For the Kenyan account, they don't offer crypto option, but you can always check whether your country is supported. But they do support payment in cryptocurrency. Then the other site is called jumptask.io. I did a review for this site on my YouTube channel. You can go through my YouTube channel, find the review for Jumptask, and you'll be able to understand how they work. Basically, you just sign up, complete tasks like watching videos. They have so many tasks inside them. You can be paid to get by taking surveys, to play games, by doing social media tasks, by doing cashback offers. There are so many ways of making money on jumptask.io, and you can be able, they pay you in form of their token. They have their own coin called JMPT, so they pay you in JMPT, which is in Binance Smart Chain. For those people who know cryptocurrency, you can be able to withdraw your JMPT directly into your Binance Smart Chain wallet, like Trust Wallet, OKX wallet, and so many other wallets that support Binance Smart Chain, whereby in those wallets you can be able to convert your JMPT into USDT, and then from your USDT to your local currency, whichever currency you have. And they also provide micro tasks. So kindly try checking out Jumptask, and they offer instant payments. Then lastly, my all-time favorite is called Swagbucks. They pay. I've not logged into my account. That's why you're seeing the login page. They pay in form of crypto vouchers, basically Bitcoin, and you can be able to complete surveys, complete offers, and so many other tasks, cashback, and so many things on Swagbucks, and you can be able to redeem your rewards in cryptocurrency. Specifically, they pay in crypto vouchers, like Bitcoin vouchers. So just want to tell you more about Swagbucks, and it requires static IPs and requires very strong IPs to avoid getting banned. Also, number verification is a must on Swagbucks, but ID verification depends with your account security. If your account is not very strong, or if you're giving inaccurate responses in your surveys, they will ask you to do number verification, or if your IP keep on changing from time to time, they will ask you to do identity verification. Also on Swagbucks, they require you to have a permanent number depending on your country, because in every single cash out, they request you to do number verification, whereby they send you a code to your registered number. You input the code and be able to proceed redeeming your rewards. So basically, this is a very short video. I was just stating my top free crypto earning sites, and you have seen them, all of them. But I have others. I'll keep on updating the list and putting more and more sites which can make you some free cryptocurrency. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.